We are in Brooklyn. Hey guys, it is Saturday and the time is probably like 4 or 5 and I am pretty much ready. Me and Jason are going to be going out and yeah, I thought I'd just come in and check in with you guys. Got my hair kind of laid, and here is my outfit. Always some noise going on. But this was actually supposed to be like a turtleneck, and I cut the neck because I don't wear it like that. I like it best like this. I do need to kind of fix the collar. I'm not a seamstress, so yeah, it's imperfect, but hey, I see a lot of clothes that have imperfect finishes, so it's okay. So it's a nice striped dress and my sneakers. Hey, my boo got me those. He's so sweet. And earrings and my watch, another trinket from boo. And yeah, oh, and with this outfit I'm wearing this. Oh, and my shades. Hold on guys, you know, I gotta get the whole outfit together. Now these are some shades that I got from an outdoor vendor. Don't sleep on them, guys. You can find some cute shades. Yes, these just scream summertime to me, and I think that it looks best with something red. Call me crazy, I don't know, but this yellow just makes me want to pair it with something red. I wanted to wear like a red something for the 4th of July with these glasses, but it didn't work out. But I still have the rest of the summer. So this is my outfit of the day. Doot. Yep. So I'm just chilling, waiting on Jason, and then we'll be outie. How are you guys enjoying your Saturday? I hope that you are very much. Let's check what Twinkie's up to. Hey Twinkie. Oh snap. Okay. She thought I was taking her little rusty snack. I don't want that rusty old snack, Twinkie. She's actually eating the dental sticks that are from the dollar store. She didn't eat it before. Before I didn't know that it had to be broken up. But Jason had broken it up for her in pieces, and now she's eating it like crazy. Look at what happens if I try to take this snack. You will see what Twinkie's really made of when I try to take the snack from her. Hey Twinkie, you mind to share that treat with me? No? You don't want to share it? You don't want to share? You don't want to share, Twinkie? Oh my gosh. That's alright, Twinkie. Yeah guys, so I'm just talking about nothing right now. I'll get back to you when I'm actually doing something. Later. Hey guys, so I'm looking sweaty. This is the normal look underneath these hot stations. But we've been doing double dutch down here. Train delay after train delay. Here comes one train now. I'll show you. I feel like I'm in the way. take another train because that train is not working, not going to the place we wanted to go. So we had to go uptown to go back downtown to go down. It's crazy. And he's sweating like crazy. I said, you're sweating like crazy. Hot. It is. And we're just trying to make it to our destination safely. Good thing we carried water because it is hot. So if you want to travel in New York City in the summertime, you better have your water and stay hydrated. That is my piece of advice for today. Let's make sure that this lock actually stays put. Alright. Here are the surroundings. A lot of people, lots of people. Alright, so we are in Brooklyn. I don't know why I said it just like that. But yes, after so much of different antics going on in the train, we made it. Look at the beautiful views. This is actually where the Labor Day parade comes down. This is over by Eastern Parkway. So yeah. A beautiful day in Brooklyn. Schenectady. So we just finished taking pictures over here.
Oh, like good.
It's a nice wall. Very artsy. That's what I love about Brooklyn. Like, yeah, you know, it's graffiti, but I like the murals, huh?
The camera is very clear.
Yeah. Alright, so now we're walking. The area is looking sketchy, so we're making our way back to Queens. What were you saying, babe?
The video. Hey guys.
This is his impersonation of me on
Desiree.
on YouTube.
And I just bought this new conditioner. It's moisturized as well. Okay guys, I got my conditioner in my hair. As you can see, it's wet. And it's tingling. I think it's working, guys.
He's making fun of me. That's not nice.
God, I have a headache.
He's laughing so hard at me. He's got a headache.
It's working, guys.
It's working, guys.
It's tingling.
It's tingling.
Oh my God.
I'm not laughing because that's not funny.
Oh man. So I'm gonna get back to you guys. After I'm done washing it out and drying it out, I'm gonna let you guys know. Update. Bye bye. Ciao for now.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Okay guys, I'm back and it's working and I feel so good.
In Burlington right now, just browsing. Boo, of course, is over there somewhere in the men's section, but I'm looking at the women's stuff. Well, this is not my size. And I'm just browsing to see what they have in Burlington. This is cute. This would be great to work out in now that I'm working out more. So here are the shoes that are here at this season. Look at this, guys. How fun is that? I love it. Rose all day. These are very cute. Look how dainty this is. If this does not scream out princess, I don't know what else does. Somebody come get me. I found the bath and home section. Oh, I did go back to the nose piercing person so that they can check my hole, and they gave me a new piercing, new nose ring. So this one is a little smaller, and so my nose has to heal around it. And I like it. I think it looks a little bigger than the last one. As usual, I find myself by the mirrors and the art pieces. This is so cute. And it actually goes with this. If I had like a beach theme, that would have been perfect for my bedroom. Cotton? Like, why? Why? I don't know. But this is cute. I'm still looking for something for over my TV stand, because that piece of the wall is just bare with nothing. I still don't know what to do with it. Ooh, pillows. Look at these new pillows. OMG. Guys, I don't think Boo's gonna find me today. I'm gonna be hidden up in here, just testing out all of these pillows. Oh my gosh. Really? Oh, I like it. They look like swim trunks.
Remember when I showed you guys I like the blue one I put on my thing? This one.
I like it. Looks good.
And this one I found. These were like $60 on the Nike store.
60? And how much is it here?
$24.
Nice.
Okay, hell yeah. I got the last one. This is the last one, like last size.
I love it.
Awesome, yes.
Boo loves a good deal. And he wears nothing but good quality clothes.
Nike only.
It does. That's all this stuff. Look, right here. He's so silly.
Let them be little because they are. that way for a while. Give them hope, give them praise, give them love every day. Let them cry, let them giggle.
Oh,
Cute.
hey, you rapping? Hey, let them be little because they are what? Okay, forget it.
Ooh.
You break it, you buy it. Hurry up and buy it. Oh, this is cute.
This is so you.
I'm drinking coffee for your protection. That's true.
Don't
let me.
The coffee be miserable. That's what it meant.
I know.
Yeah.
Thank you for explaining.
My coffee before I go crazy.
Exactly. Don't ask me to do anything before coffee. I've been saying I wanted a nice planner, even though it's the middle of the year. Oh, it's only $10. I'm a planner person. I like to write down my plans and stuff. Everyday goals. That's cute. You know, I'm gonna finish out the one I have now and then.
You say you want to get a question. Do you have one home already?
You're so logical.
Yes. Finish that one first and then get the other one. Does it make any sense?
Yes, baby.
Never plan like that for no reason.
I sure can use a new devotional though, because the one I've been using for years. I think I kind of, God is like, it's time. Ooh, I like this. Boss babe, whatever you do, do it like a boss. And, oh, your coworker?
Yeah.
Nothing but a mistake. Tell me.
Hey, touch that?
Can I touch it?
No.
Of course not.
And the meat thing, I kept saying, that's it?
Try it.
Not too far. I'm like getting this much of a
I want it badly. No, I can see that. You look like you're in a music video.
Oh.
You. Hey. Behind the music, Jason.
Let me see.
5, 6, 7, yeah. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. Find any excuse to exercise.
Oh, that's good.
Exercise freak.